This is a quick intro and a review of PHP shells. PHP shells are a file that you can upload and you can actually issue PHP and system commands. Here's an example of one of the most simple types of PHP shells you can upload. You can see all it does is get the command parameter and let you issue system commands to the system. Right here it is in action. ls, you list files, press ID. You can also say cat, use cat and get access to PHP files, which is important because if you get access to PHP files, you can also get access to things like MySQL passwords, and that's how you get the data. But there's also other types of shells out there which you have to be careful of, like 404.php. I found this on the line, but hidden in the code you see base 64. Base 64 is used to what you call obfuscate code, so people can't really see what's in there. It's kind of hidden in here, but if you were to decode that, you would see where it creates a cookie and sends the guy an email with your authorization pass. 404.php shell is kind of a cool thing though. I believe if you delete this line, you'd probably be okay. But otherwise, as soon as you executed it, it would go. The guy with the email would be notified immediately of the shell, of where it's at, and the password. But here's an example of 404.php. I'm not on the internet right now, so it doesn't really matter. Password is MD5 encrypted, one-way hash. You just use MD5 and you edit the code. See right there's the authorization pass. That's MD5, and in this case I changed it to Jimcola 99. So you're able to get in here, and there's all kinds of cool stuff on here. You can execute system commands, and there's SQL panel, all kinds of neat stuff on here. With the information automatically given to you. Now here's another example of a PHP shell called Laudanum.php. And I changed code here a little bit. What's kind of cool about it is you can specify which IP addresses access that shell, so you can keep other people out. And I changed it to SHA-256 from SHA-1 some, just because I already had that set up to create hashes in Python, so I just changed that really quick. Shot SHA-256. Password for it is Jimcola 99 in this case. I'm still logged in. I'll log out and show you what it looks like when you log in. Jimcola 99. Jimcola 99. There we go. It's a rather simple shell. Use ls, execute. And cat spunky PHP. That's an example of that one line shell thing I was showing you. See, it brings back the source of that. Like I said again, that's dangerous because people store SQL passwords in there, and that's what the hacker wants most of the times, is SQL data. I'm going to upload the source code to this on a blog. And here's the thing about these PHP shells. This is just fun to play around with. You don't want to actually upload these to servers in the wild. It's not a cool thing to do. And if you do any bug bounty hunting, a lot of times, like Microsoft I know says, don't upload a shell. You won't get paid if you report it to them and you tell them. That's usually against their terms of service. So make sure if you're doing bug bounty hunting, read the terms of service. But the ways that people upload these PHP shells are different. You know, sometimes, like let's say you upload a video, sometimes people are able to upload PHP files. So a lot of times it's blocked in JavaScript, but you can get around that sometimes with Burp Suite. Burp Suite's a proxy, and I've seen examples. I'll link to the video as well of a guy using Burp Suite to upload a Java server page, not a PHP page, but he was able to upload a Java server page, and he was able to issue system commands. So he's able to upload a command shell. Anyways, that's my video. If you have anything you want to ask, let me know.